Hey, my name is Jane. It's really windy right now, so I apologize if this audio is cutting in and out. But one of the things I'm working on for 2021 is to document my life, and whether that's the people in my life, my family, my home. It's just one of my goals to document on film my life. And I live in Chicago right now, in the city, but I grew up in the suburbs here in the northwest suburbs in a town called Elk Grove Village, and that's where I'm actually at today. I'm actually right in front of the house, right behind me, right there, that I grew up in the entirety of my childhood. And I figure, I haven't been here in years, and I only live 30 minutes away. I wanted to just kind of come here and just kind of through nostalgia, like live through some of my childhood memories, but also photograph what my home looks like. And although I haven't lived here in almost 10 years now, I thought it'd be kind of cool to take some photos on film of my childhood home and just this town in general, like the high school I went to my freshman year, some of the restaurants I frequented as a student, some of the places that I hung out at with friends, the park that I used to always play basketball at. That's what this video is going to be. It's going to be me just taking photos of my childhood neighborhood and town on film, and I hope you enjoy it. Also, if you like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Click that bell for notifications, and I would really appreciate that.